Ooh, this lighting is blinding my eyes. What the fuck? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. If this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, my name is Millie. Make sure you subscribe, press the subscribe button and the bell sign below and join the family. So guys, I just got back home and I'm tired, like very tired, but I still decided to make this video for you guys. So this kimono dress, I wore it out today and I got so many compliments. So I just want to show you how I made it. Now this dress doesn't even require, this kimono jacket doesn't require a sewing machine. It doesn't require thread, needle, nothing. All you need is your fabric and your scissors. How simple can that get? So without further ado, let me show you guys the dress quickly. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So guys, you're just going to be folding your fabric into two in a rectangular form. So you have to keep it vertically. You just fold it into two, like you can see. So guys, you're going to want to cut your fabric in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle. You don't want to have a top that it's uneven. So cut it in the middle, and you have to cut only the front bit. So the back bit is not cut at all, it's not tempered with. So just cut the front down to where you had the fold. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to wear this. The part where you cut is going to go in front because that's the neckline, like so. You can obviously decide to leave it like this, like a kimono, but I prefer to use a belt. So I already cut out a piece of the fabric as a belt. So I'm just going to use it to wrap around to give me this snatched look.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I'm